Dear friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss the program related to random access file. In last class, we have discussed in random access file functions just like LP, TLG, SIGP and SIGG. Now we have to discuss how those functions operate really in random access file. Just I am reviewing back what is the requirement of random access file. The answer is if we want to move randomly very fast from one location to another location, then we can take the help of your random access file while reading the data or writing the data in a file. Let us take an example. We include fstream.h because for file handling operation we need fstream.h. Without fstream.h, the file stream classes like ifstream, offstream and fstream will not work. Why we have taken iostream.h for cin and cout input output operation. Why we have taken conio.h for screen interactions console function, we need the conio.h. Now the program starts from here. There is no requirement to tell why we have taken main function because every program needs. We have taken offstream because we have to write some information in a file first. Then we have taken if stream because we have to read the data which is written in offstream object. We have taken the array of a character variable that is ch, and we have taken a text as a character variable. Then clear screen is given. Why? Because before getting a fresh output, we want the output screen should be clear. Now, while you run the program, first is ask you enter some text, means it's a message to understand for the user. Scene.getLine, scene is a input statement. GetLine means we want to read a line of statement. Ch is a string variable as array of a character. 30 is the length. We can increase it or we can decrease it. Suppose we enter some data that has to be stored in a variable that is ch. Now we want to write this data in output stream object that is my file. Then what happens? MyFile.open, MyFile as a write object. What the file to be open, that has to be open in which mode? That is a write mode because we have to write some data. So file name is given sriram.txt. You can take any name which you will be stored in your default directory, that is in bin directory. The file will automatically created. iOS output means input output stream. Out means we have to open it into the write mode. Now first we check either the file is successfully open or not. If condition is given, my file is the offstream object. Now if that file is not created by any way, then the information will display. Otherwise means if everything is okay, my file is the stream object is successfully open, then the command line is given, it checks. If everything okay, then the condition meets to true. If true means condition is true, then my file is the stream object, output stream object. Double than symbol is used for insertion, means the ch data as a string what we enter, that will be written in my file as object. My file object means it will be written into the file sriram.txt, means the file written is completed, hence the message is displayed data stored successfully. Then after writing we return to else part, because if this part execute, then the else part not execute. If any error occurs here, if part not execute, then it will display message error while opening the file, file will be closed. Now the file is successfully created, data is written, hence no else part will execute. Now we are moving to myFile.close, means the writing object file will be closed because that file will be open in read mode. For reading the file, the stream object is a file, that is if stream, because if stream through which we can open the file in the read mode. Now file.open means if stream object is file, file.open sriram.txt, which is previously written in write mode, now it is open in read mode. And for read operation, the stream operation is used in, because iOS out means write mode, iOS in means read mode. Now what we have to check, either the file is successfully open in read mode or not. Again, if file means everything is okay, then it moves to this block where the if condition satisfies. Now, stream read object is file 6G. 6G means the reading time. In reading time, we have to read the data from specific position. It's a random access file function. 7 means it skips 7 byte. The command is written skip first 5 byte from the beginning. We can change the value. iOS big means from beginning. If iOS end is from end. If iOS cur is the current position. Big is the beginning, end is the end, and cur is the current location. Means from the beginning of the file, it skips 7 byte. From there, the data will be reading. Now the message will display the output after skipping 7 byte. A constant message is given. Now we have to read after 7 byte the rest of the data. How we have to check? The condition is till not end of file. Suppose after 7 characters some data is found. Now it checks is end of file? No. Now what will return? What will get? File, that is reading object. Get means we have to read the data as a get function. Text is the character variable from where the data will be fetched from the file and one character will store. Now it has to be displayed. Cout text. Next character will be read. That data will be display. This process will continue till end of the file. While reaching at the end of the file, it condition false. Now while comes out of the loop. Now else part will not execute. Why else part will not execute? If while reading the data there is some error, the else part will execute. Now the data is successfully open. Read the data by skipping 7 byte. Now else part will not execute. Now file to be closed and get ch will giving the pausing activity. If this program is written in this way, suppose we enter data hello strings. After 7 byte skipping means HELLO is 5, space is also 1, S is the 7th most. The rest of the character will display H strings means 7 byte skip, rest of the data is read and display in the console. Now question arises, how it is random? Because we skip 7 byte of data from the beginning. In similar way, we can skip from the current position, we can skip from the end of the file. Now we want to run this program and want to view you on the console. Now move to your specific editor and start running the program how it works. Now this is the program what I presented on your PowerPoint slide. Now I want to run this file. See, suppose I return hello strings. Now see 7 byte skipped hello space and s. The rest of the data is display on the screen. In this way, we can change. Suppose you want to skip 5 bytes and the rest of the data will display. Similarly, we can write 5. Suppose I write first, then save, then start running. Suppose now I write hello strings. Now you see the 5 bytes skips hello onwards and the strings appears. In this way, we successfully completed the program of random access file. I think that is understandable by you, and having any doubt, please make the comment. If you did not subscribe previously, kindly subscribe this, and if you like this video, kindly like it. Please make the comments. We are coming with some new videos of the in next time. I think it will be help you much more in your syllabus system, wherever it may be, maybe MSc curriculum, maybe MCA curriculum, maybe BCA, maybe ITM, or maybe any computer science related topics where you are continuing with file handling approach. Thank you. See you in the next class.